Thank you very much to all the viewers and all media platforms that are present here today. As you have rightly said, Njomane, we are here at KwaCeza in the family, the Zulu family. In this family, last year, Nkosinathi Zulu was part of the comrades who enrolled to Moses Mabhida for the launch of the IFP Manifesto. Unfortunately, we had a bus accident. Nkosinathi is one of the people who was critically injured, was taken to hospital. Unfortunately, the left leg was affected and was eventually amputated. As we can see, Nkosinathi Zulu is now attached on a wheelchair. The IFP felt that we must demonstrate to our people that we do not need them or care for them when it is election campaign. Elections came and passed. We do not have any elections now, but we decided to come over to hand over this house. It's a 4-roomed house, 2-bedroom, 1 sitting room, a dining room, as well as a bathroom and a toilet, which will make it easy for him whenever he wants to relieve himself. He will use everything inside the house. This is our demonstration of respecting the dignity of a human being. My younger brother and our comrade, Nkosinathi, this house is too big for him because it is for really adult people. But we said, let us match the dreams of a younger person when he grows, that I want to build a house. This is a house that we have built. It's an honor to his dignity while he is attached to a wheelchair, but we decided that let us show to him and the family, the mother and father, that we respect the dignity of a person. That is why the house we are handing over is not just a house or an ordinary house, but is a house that is fitting to be given to a human being. If you say, I'm doing this gift to you to honor your dignity. This is in relation to our principles of honesty, integrity. When you are honest, when something wrong happened, you come back and demonstrate that there was no intention to what happened, but as a consolation, this is what we are giving to the family. And as we believe that human beings must be treated in a respectful manner, this is what we are demonstrating. That is why Office Number 1 of the IFP personally took time to come to the hills of KwaCeza and meet ordinary citizens of the area as a gesture that the IFP cares, as we have demonstrated today.